Continuing my review of ways of earning income from your websites, we get to the freemium model. This is a fairly new business model. Not too much has been written about it, but it's very popular, so I found this blog post that describes it a lot better than I'm able to do. Here, this author describes that what you do is you give away a service for free, acquire as many customers as you can, and then charge for premium features. Sounds pretty simple, but the freemium model, although very common and popular, is a little bit tricky. And he describes really nicely what this model is and then provides a good example here. Carbon Made is a good example of the freemium model. So let me go through this really quickly. Fred Wilson first articulated the idea of freemium on March 23, 2006 in a blog post entitled My Favorite Business Model. And here is a snippet. Give your service away for free, possibly ad supported, but maybe not. Acquire a lot of loyal customers very efficiently through word of mouth, referral networks, organic search marketing, and more. Then offer premium priced value-added services or an enhanced version of your service to your customer base. One reason why this freemium model is more popular now is that ad revenues have really declined recently. It's hard to really earn income, enough income to sustain your website, so this can be done in conjunction with an ad model. This example here, Carbon Made, is a portfolio site. It's free to sign up for their free account, which comes with 5 projects and 35 images, but you can choose to pay $12 a month for the premium account, which gets you up to 50 projects, 500 images, and the ability to display video. So the free plan brings in the customers, and when they run out of space or find that they need video, they upgrade to the premium service. If you're familiar with Skype, an internet-based communications company that lets you use your computer to make phone calls, this is a great example of a social networking site that uses the freemium model to earn income. The way that Skype works is if you use the Skype program on your computer to call another computer user that also has Skype, then that call is free. However, you can also make Skype calls to landlines and cell phones, and that's where the charges come in. To make a Skype call to a landline phone in India, it'll cost you 2.2 cents per minute. To the UK, 1.2 cents per minute. They also have a premium service here where you can do unlimited calls for a set monthly fee to any landline or cell phone or Skype customer. A lot of training and e-learning websites use a freemium model, including my own e-learning websites, which I'll describe shortly. But here's another example of a site that gives away free podcasts, in this case, to help you learn Brazilian Portuguese. It's a membership club. If you join the membership, then you get access to written materials, which I find are a lot easier to use in conjunction with the audio podcast tapes to learn the language. So you become a member, pay the monthly fees, and then you can download the learning guides right here from their website, which consists of a set of PDF files with full transcripts, like the ones you see here, of the vocabulary and the conversations that you'll hear on the podcasts. As I mentioned, both of my websites, geekmanuals.com and geek-school.com, are based on the freemium model. I have a lot of free materials, including free courses on the geek-school.com site, as well as paid courses. This is a Moodle site, so it's very easy to require potential students to purchase an enrollment key before they can enter a fee-based course, but there are also free courses that are available. All you need is to click on the link and you can get access to these free courses. On my geekmanuals.com site, I also have a lot of free materials, tutorials, blogs, articles on a variety of topics: Flash, Dreamweaver, CSS, Joomla, web design news, blog posts, and so on. This is a Joomla-based site, so I could, if I chose, add some advertisements or do a affiliate program through VTC or Amazon or any other publishers that I want to direct my audience to. So there you have some examples of some successful websites that are combining free material with premium paid content to help them earn income from their websites. I'm sure you can probably think of some additional ways you can charge for some of your better content, or perhaps you create a club within your membership structure where people can pay to get access to that club and get access to additional content. Let me now move on to the next movie and conclude this section with a review of the last way to earn income from your websites, and that is to collect donations.